maayos ko lang wiring, nilalaman pa yan. Maayos hindi. Yung wire puro lahat na damage. Kaya ganun. Noong oras sinantay ko, labig pa naman. Specialist sila doon. Kaya ganun. Puro cut yung wire eh. Pero titingnan daw nila kung maayos. Pag hindi, malamang bukas na ito mag-continue. Ano mangyayari dyan? Lamig dito. Pura. Yan ang airport to ng Sweden eh. Ng airport ng Norway. Yan. Oslo, Norway. Ayun, malamang bukas pa ako nito. Hindi kung bukas pa, di makagala-gala pa ako dito. Salamat. Yun. Oslo. Yun ang arrival oh. Airport nila. Sabi ko lamig. Mayroong block of ice oh. Grabe katigas oh. Hindi mo talaga pala ito mahuhugot ang tigas. Yelo. Ayun. Lamig dito sa labas. Lakad-lakad. Tingnan kung maayos o hindi. So very cold in your place. So very cold here.
Yeah, it's cold now.
I'm a Filipino.
Okay.
You been meet a Filipino here in Norway?
Huh?
You already meet another Filipino here in Norway?
Only one.
There's lots of Filipino also here.
Yeah.
She's working also here in Norway. The car bumped me in the back.
Okay.
So that's why. And then after the accident, I get the wire, and after he bumped me, I get the wire and I cut to being not for the short circuit. Yes, I already cut it.
Yeah.
For sure.
That's part.
Because I know is sometimes short circuits is very bad.
Yeah, it can be.
It can broke all the system in the whole body, in all the wire must burn.
Yeah.
That's why I cut it off.